want to measure the light intensity of your room, or maybe the intensity of your flashlight. This code is the most straightforward code of measuring the light intensity and displaying the results on the LCD screen. You will be using the light sensor, which is connected to analog pin number 3. Moreover, you can read the results onto your computer by using the serial monitor from the Arduino IDE. Add some lines to the code so when the light intensity falls below 10%, show a warning message in the LCD says it's too dark, and then switch on the first LED.